So we are here for day 5 of the Photo Organizing in 2023 Mini Boot Camp. In case you've forgotten, my name's Molly. I own Pixologist. Today's topic, day 5, is just say no to programs and apps for managing your pictures. I don't say that lightly. It used to be that I taught people how to use different programs and apps like Mollie and the Photos app, the Photos program on a Mac. I don't even know how to refer to Photos for Mac and the iPhone because one's an app and one's a program, but they somehow work together, which might make you wonder, what is a program versus an app? And I feel like this is a little bit of a muddy area, but this is my best take on it. A program is actual software that's installed on your computer. It's most usually going to be on a computer, and some computer programmer developed it. The apps are software, I guess is a loose term for it, that is used on your devices, that's installed on your devices, and they usually are designed to help you complete tasks versus being a whole program. People are depending upon apps for their pictures, and it's probably not the best long-term solution. These include the Photos app for iPhone and the Photos app for Google. Both types of phones, I have seen people using the Amazon Photos app as well. So my advice in today's lesson is just say no to programs and apps in general. I think the best solution is actually managing pictures on your computer in folders. The first reason is when you rely on a program on your computer more often and apps on your phone, you have to use it routinely to remember the tips and tricks of using it. I have found that people are not real good about using their programs routinely. You might get started, but then life happens. You go on a trip, or you buy a puppy, or you go for a walk with your dog, and you think that's a better use of your time. And that leads into the reason number 2. Keeping up with the software can be difficult. These software companies do update their programs. Then you have to figure out how to use it all over again. That's assuming that you remember how to use it before the software was updated. The third reason is people change the computers that they use, and they may even change operating systems. Some of my clients have gone from PC to Mac and then back. That can be problematic when you are trying to move a program to a new computer. You can lose a lot of your work if you're not very careful about it. When you have your pictures and folders on your computer, it's easy to back them up, and it's easy to run the duplicate finding programs on there. The folders give you the best chance for, managing your pictures, as well as knowing you have the original copy, on your computer in your possession. If you can't envision using a computer to manage your photo collection, the solution that I would offer then is to use Forever Permanent Photo Storage. You can install the app on your phone and then upload the photos you want to save. That's my reasoning about why you want to say no to using a program or an app for your pictures. If you are using something that you like, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it, and it might help someone else who's looking for a solution. I have reviewed many of these programs, and I have a playlist linked down below. My takeaways for today's little lesson in our mini boot camp are: first, really think about if the computer is where you want to manage your photos. All right, that's a really important consideration. And then if you do, make sure that you feel comfortable making folders. I would love to know if folders, and folder structure is something you struggle with, because that might lead me to make another video on that topic. Well, that's it for day 5. We do not want to use a program. But if you do use a program or an app that you love, leave it in the comments below. I will be all ears, and your thoughts, might help someone else who's looking for a solution. All right, that's it. Tomorrow, day 6, is where I'm going to share 5 great resources. All right, take care, and we'll see you tomorrow.